this lesion most likely originated from which of the following embryological derivatives? This is a question, and if you have diagnosed this as malignant melanoma with metastasis to the central nervous system, then your diagnosis is right. And malignant melanoma arises from melanocytes, and melanocytes are derived from, yes, if you have marked neural crest, then you are absolutely right. Are keratinocytes, which are going to form a major chunk. Almost 80 to 90% of the entire epidermis is made up of keratinocytes. The rest are melanocytes, Merkel cells, and Langerhans points, which are highlighted. So let us see keratinocytes. These cells are present in all the layers of the epidermis, and they are embryologically derived from ectoderm. Melanocytes, they are present in stratum basale, and they are derived from neural crest. Merkel cells, they are present in the stratum basale, just like melanocytes. So melanocytes and Merkel cells have one thing in common, apart from the ME, which is the starting letters in their name, that is stratum basale is the layer of the epidermis in which both of them are present. And Merkel cells, they are derived from ectoderm. Whereas Langerhans cells, they are present in the stratum spinosum, and they are derived from Mesoderm, that is bone marrow. So if you notice here, I have sites and Merkel cells, both have KE in the names. So you can just remember that these are ectodermal in origin. So I hope this video was helpful for you to revise what are all the important cells in the epidermis and how you can remember their